G, F, C. That's it. I heard something about it. I see some good intentions in it all. What am I doing about it? Seems like nothing at all. Take a little organisation, use the communications of the world, address this situation. It's vital to our soul. 2, 3, 4, get back to nature, living in the natural way. Get back to nature, doing it is what I say. I started to worry, just thinking of the past. The buildings are all in ruin, you know it can last. I was touched by a higher spirit, could have been a Curie man. He showed me the direction and a way to love my fellow man. He said, get back to nature, living in the natural way. Get back to nature, doing it is what he say. Imagine you are water, living in life's endless stream. We all rely on each other, the light, air, water and soil. Get back to nature, living in the natural way. Get back to nature, it is what I say. Get back to nature, or nature will get back to you. Get back to nature, get me out of the zoo. 2, 3, keep me out of the zoo. Keep me out of the zoo. Keep me out of the zoo, man.